Pemirsa, Surabaya Intercultural School terus membuktikan diri sebagai sekolah internasional yang inovatif. Hal ini terbukti pada hari Rabu 4 Juni 2025 kemarin menandatangani Memorandum of Understanding atau MOU dengan Kementerian Pendidikan Prancis melalui French Embassy serta Institut Prancis di Indonesia atau IVI sebagai penegas bahwa Surabaya Intercultural School resmi menggunakan French track sekaligus membuktikan bahwa Surabaya Intercultural School menjadi sekolah pertama di Surabaya yang menghadirkan kurikulum Prancis.
Pada hari Rabu 4 Juni 2025, Surabaya Intercultural School bersama dengan Kementerian Pendidikan Prancis melalui French Embassy serta Institut Prancis di Indonesia atau IVI menandatangani Memorandum of Understanding atau MOU dan resmi menggunakan French track sekaligus resmi menjadi sekolah pertama di Surabaya yang menghadirkan kurikulum Prancis. MOU ini ditandatangani langsung oleh Manajemen Advisor Surabaya Intercultural School Josh Bishop, Counselor for Cooperation and Cultural Affairs French Embassy Louis Freeman, dan Direktur Institut Prancis di Indonesia Surabaya Sandra Vivier. Hadir pula Board of Patrons Vice Chair Surabaya Intercultural School Anthony Handayo. Dijelaskan oleh Josh Bishop, Surabaya Intercultural School kini menerapkan kurikulum Prancis atau French track melalui bimbingan dan pengawasan langsung dari Centre National d'Enseignement à Distance atau CNED, yakni lembaga di bawah naungan Kementerian Pendidikan Prancis. Surabaya Intercultural School ingin terus mengembangkan diri sebagai lembaga pendidikan yang sudah terakreditasi internasional dan kerjasama ini akan makin memantapkan siswa-siswi di lini global.
So the French track program we see as a real collaboration and partnership with both the French community and the French curriculum. So it's not just about curriculum, it's about learning culture, it's about learning the curriculum. It is about learning that seamless opportunity where students can be able to enter our school from France and then be able to return seamlessly. So as a school, we've offered French language for quite some time. This, however, will be a first for us and is a first for Surabaya in that we're looking to create an actual program where much of the curriculum will be delivered in French, not just a learning of the language. So this is a unique and first opportunity for Surabaya. There are other schools in Indonesia and throughout the world, but we will be the first here in Surabaya.
Adanya French track tersebut memberikan banyak dampak positif, diantaranya tumbuhnya kemitraan dengan Perancis. Selain itu, kemampuan bahasa Perancis siswa juga makin terasah. Siswa akan mendapatkan pembelajaran bahasa Perancis secara intensif untuk mencapai tingkat kemahiran yang memungkinkan mereka belajar di universitas di Perancis. Jalur studi ke universitas terkemuka di Perancis juga makin terbuka. Hal tersebut dikarenakan kurikulum standar internasional yang diterapkan. Siswa dibekali keterampilan akademik, bahasa, dan budaya yang relevan dengan pendidikan tinggi di Perancis.
So first, I would say that the role of the French embassy is to develop bilateral relations, of course. You know that bilateral relations are now at a very high level with Indonesia. We had a state visit last week from our president at the invitation of President Prabowo. And so we want to develop the French language because language is really an opportunity for the youth. We really appreciate the policy of the current government who invest a lot in human capital, and learning language is really key on developing human capital. And French language is the only language with English to be spoken on the 5 continents by more than 320 million people. So it is really a big asset for the people to learn French, and we are very happy as an embassy and as an Institut Français, which is the French Cultural Center present throughout Indonesia, to be partner with Surabaya Intercultural School for this program that will benefit to the kids, and this is very important. I think the beneficiary at the end will be the kids, and they will have a better life with more employability also, because they know how to speak a lot of different languages.
Penerapan program French Track akan membuka peluang siswa di dunia internasional, baik dalam hal pendidikan hingga pekerjaan, karena sistem pendidikan yang diterapkan relevan dengan pertumbuhan dunia saat ini.